I want to talk a little bit about the goals of this webinar, because you might be asking yourself is it what should I really expect from this webinar? Am I in the right spot? And let's talk about that for a minute. All right. So what to expect from this webinar that you're going to be on right now? Why would you be here if you're not looking for answers? Okay. Is that everybody's looking for an answer or a solution, and we know you want to increase your status, and it might be to be satisfied with your accomplishments, or it might be to be recognized by your peers. But a lot of times, the majority of the things that we're trying to do is we're trying to accomplish our goals, right? And we want to learn, we want to maybe make more money in our job, or we want personal satisfaction of completing a job. But what to expect from this presentation is that you're going to learn. We're going to give you some valuable knowledge and information, today in this webinar, so that you'll be able to learn. All right. And let's talk for a minute about are you really in the right spot? Is this webinar for you at this point in time? Well, listen, there's a variety of people on this webinar today. All right. We have people from airlines. We have people from software companies in the airline industry. We have people from MROs on here. We have people that are in support industries right now. We have people on the webinar that are in the consulting kind of role in the industry. We have people that work for manufacturers, for OEMs right now. And we believe that the information that's going to be presented in this webinar today will be valuable to each of you, right? And Larry and I have talked about this a lot, is that we're going to have a discussion about the process of digital transformation, all right? Yep. And Larry pointed out to me recently that, hey, the process is the same whether you're in any of those roles and responsibilities. It's the same, right?
I think it's really refreshing to see that we have a wide audience, and not just totally focused on airplane maintenance, but we have some software people, and we have just a wide range of people that are interested in this topic today.
We have people that are software providers that are providing flight deck software, that are providing cabin software. A lot of different people on the webinar here today, and it's really exciting to see that. Right?
But you're right, Mark. It's the process, and you can be, in any one of those businesses, or you can be at any, sort of phase or level of understanding of digital transformation. But it's the process, I think, that we've talked about and seen at a lot of different companies that we really want to focus on today.
Yep. And the way that I communicate that is that it's really about the journey is what it is, right? So the process might be the same of moving through digital transformation, but everybody's at a different place in the journey, right? And one thing is for absolute certain is that there are no two people that are the same place in the journey, because otherwise everybody would have started at the same place, all right? And I've said this to people before, is that if I have a brand new cell phone and I that's all I have, I'm now on a new digital transformation journey because I'm learning, from my new cell phone, right?
Right.
I'm on a journey, right? And I could be a company which has a foundation of digital technology in place, and you're at a different place in the journey, all right? Or I could be an OEM, for example, that has a vast IT portfolio, and you're focusing on advanced, analytics, or on 3D implementation, or advanced software, and putting all that portfolio together. But what I'm trying to say is that the process of transforming a business to create success in that business is the same whether you're in that small, medium, or large company and corporation.
Absolutely.
It's just the journey that you're on, and the place on that adoption curve or in that journey.
Absolutely, Mark.
Yeah, absolutely.